Nangamaladi Aunty here again, together with my ally, Carla Rogers, and I believe we have a question for Ask Aunty, Carla.
Aunty, the question is buying property, of a land or an apartment, contributing to the gap and the issues that First Nations people face today?
I don't see it have a direct bearing on creating and maintaining the gap, Carla. Really, the gap is still is there because we're not doing enough to close that gap. I don't think stopping people from purchasing land, buying a property or an apartment is a hindrance to our people.
Yes, Aunty. And as an ally, there is a lot of things we can do to be mindful and respectful about it. Traditionally, country is mother, is family. You can't own country, can you, Aunty Manya? However, as a non-Indigenous person, I can be very mindful and respectful of the traditional custodians of the land on which I'm living and working and playing. I can acknowledge them every day, and I can be mindful of contributing to closing the gap and learning from First Nations wisdom about that incredible, beautiful respect for country. Inirigul Gona.
Go well.